Did you know your eyes can give sight to someone even after you die? Every year, millions struggle with vision loss, but a simple act of eye donation can restore someone's world. From corneal transplants to cutting-edge research, your eyes can help millions see even after you are gone. By donating your eyes to science or medicine, you can help someone see again with your corneas or help research to support millions of people. Other parts of the eye, such as the retina and lens, are equally important. Donated eye tissue helps scientists find new treatments and cures for cataracts, glaucoma, diabetic eye disease, macular degeneration, and many other vision problems. Corneal transplants have been successfully performed for nearly a century. A healthy, clear cornea is essential for good vision. When the cornea is damaged or scarred by injury or disease, it can produce glare and a blurred vision. In a corneal transplant, the surgeon replaces this damaged cornea with a clear, transparent cornea from the donor eye. Corneal transplant is the most common type of transplant, but there are a few other types of transplants also. Amniotic membrane transplants, eyelash transplants, eyelid and tear duct transplants. Researchers are also working on using stem cells to replace degenerated or damaged retinal cells. Surgeons can replace eyelashes in cases in which the eyelashes are damaged because of burns, injuries, or medical conditions. French surgeons have used eyelid and tear ducts to transplant them in cases in which they have done a full face transplant. Your eye is a complex organ connected to your brain by the optic nerve, which carries visual signals which the brain converts into images. Though this optic nerve is very small, about 1 to 2 inches long and very thin, it's like a very thin fiber optic cable. It has millions of nerve fiber cells. Now, once these fibers are cut, it is impossible to connect them again. Hence, a whole eye transplant is not possible. Even after life ends, your eyes can continue to see beauty through someone else's world. A simple choice today can bring light to someone else tomorrow. Pledge to be an eye donor. Give the gift of sight. Let your vision become someone else's light. Keep watching for more videos like this. Do like, share and subscribe. Stay blessed.